What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time since I last uploaded. As you guys know, we are in the middle of a global pandemic, and it's not going away anytime soon. So I was waiting to upload until things like calm down and I was able to go places, but I don't see that happening anytime soon. So we're gonna do something today. We're going camping. We're going camping in our backyard. we have been talking about this for a long time, and my dad had an old tent in the garage, and we like opened it up and we looked at it, and it was like all messed up. It was like ripped on, and then so we just decided to go. We're gonna go look for one at Big 5, and then we'll show you guys what we come back with. Here to get a 3-person tent or 5-person tent, which I don't think we need. The 5 is gonna be too big, I think.
5 is for like
but then again, if we get the 5,
we can actually go camping.
Yeah, if we ever go camping with my parents, we can all just use that one. But at the same time, I feel like we would be cramped.
Yeah. I mean, it does look bigger. Alright, guys, we just got back to the house. It took us a while to choose which one we wanted. We ended up getting the one for what, like 5 people or 6 people? 6 people. 6 people. That's just gonna be big, because tonight is gonna be me and Andrew. Open it up.
Here we go. We got it done. It looks so nice. Grab her hand. Grab her hand. Tráetela, Andrés. Agárrale de la mano.
Ay, te van a tumbar, cabrón.
Agárrala de la mano. No mires, mamá. No mires. No mires.
Te van a tumbar
No,
y te
come
van
on.
a dar en la puerta.
Come on, come on, come on. No, camina. 2, 3, ábrelos.
¿Qué? ¡Ah! Una casa de acampar.
Vamos a acampar.
Ya los voy a echar para afuera también. Ya van a dormir acá en la calle. Oye, ¿tu papá allí? Ya tu papá. Ya tu papá acampando allí.
Ya. Mi papá que si se anima no quiere.
Vamos a dormir aquí.
Es para 6 personas.
Ándale, pa. Sirve que se te deste la espalda.
Ahí te vas a quedar dormido ahorita.
Ay, así la. Haces en la almohada para que descanse mi cabeza.
Sí, que el cuerpo descansar en un piso duro así.
You ready to go get the s'mores stuff?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hulk is right here.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Ay, míralo.
Sácale otro ese palo, pues, mira.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Con cuidado.
I'm gonna help her out a little bit.
¿Qué traes?
E.T. go home.
¿Qué?
No manches.
Si estaba viendo la tele y traigo los ojos calientes.
No, está muy fuerte el sol, ¿o qué?
Pues no me compras que no sean de sol.
We just had tacuache, and now Andrew's scared.
I'm not
to
scared.
sleep out here.
I'm not
It's
scared.
okay, Andrew. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it again.
Oh, yeah.
It's right there. Pa!
¡Pa!
Pa, ahí viene.
¡Ahí viene por las galletas! Mira, míralo. ¡Ay! ¡Quítate, cabrón! Allí, mira.
Dame la escoba, Andrés, ahí. Pues sí, pero la chingada es que esta escoba no cansa.
Oh, it's so fucking ugly. Tacuache, cut! This guy brought his laptop with him. I don't know what he's gonna do. He said he's
Hopefully, just build.
He's gonna play some Fortnite.
No,
I'm trying to fix
a booted version of it.
my sleeping situation here. Oh man, brought like I don't know how many blankets because I'm scared that I'm gonna get cold. This guy, I don't know how many. If he's gonna get cold.
I'm using one to cover myself.
Just one?
I use two. Yeah, I get really hot in the night.
Okay. All right, I finished fixing mine. Oh,
I'm gonna make a video.
got a blanket. Well, I'll be nice and toasty.
Yes, sir.
If you get cold, just pull the side of the thing.
All right.
All right. Good night.
Good night.
Bye.